What's up everybody and welcome to Torque Drift. Here's another video and today I'm gonna show you how to set up your Nissan Silvia S15. I'm gonna give you a quick setup on how you can start off, because from then on you have to tweak and learn to set it up as it's closest to your hands and your style of driving, aggressive or smooth or laid back. This is all really individual thing. Anyway, let me start with a round at Calibank's beginning. Probably not one of my favorite, but it is my favorite track until now. Just to show you how the car rolls, how the car works. I wanna keep it. As you see, my car is like smooth and steady. I'm too far from the wall. That's not usually what I do. I gotta stay close to the walls, by the way, to get more points. I ruined it. If it wasn't that ass lap, I'll get a huge point, but anyway. Mistakes are to be done. That's not usual to see someone beat me here, but anyway. Let's do a chase run now and probably try to pursue him as we can. Pursue and destroy. Come here, you taxi. Come to Papa. No, don't spread it. Let's get to 4 gear. 4 gear. 4 gear again. Did a little mistake there, get into the 3rd gear back. So I'll let him loose. Anyway, I think it's a good chase, not bad, stable. And we lost. Yeah. Good driver. I really like to see people beat me and getting good scores, like yeah. Anyway, so let's get to the setups. So let's go to the garage. I want to tell you, just open my summary. You can pause the video now and look at my setups. So this is probably not the best setup you can get, but it's a good way to start from. As you saw, my car is not so bad. It drove the whole bank almost perfectly, almost. I couldn't say perfect because I did even better sometimes. So as you see, most of my parts are custom, not all of them yet, but really I'm not struggling anymore to make my car even more horsepower. I even lowered my boost because my boost is not like, doesn't go to like all the way, because I don't think power is everything. It's mostly about you feeling comfortable and getting your work done as you can, because sometimes overpowered is like car goes nuts on the racetrack and not so easy controllable, and also it's about the style. Well, hopefully this setup will help you out. Also, I'd like to mention to get better scores for some of you. You have to remind yourself that the game likes close calls, wall taps, just getting your rear like as close as possible, as fast as possible, keeping the kilometers running. That's it for today, and here's some compilation of some guys running our livery. By the way, we are here in Torque Drift. Yes, Clutch Kick is an official sponsor now. Guys, be sure to put your livery on, send us your videos so we can include them, and also our boys at N4Car Customs are here. Hopefully in this update, tomorrow after tomorrow, we're gonna unlock it and use it. See you in the next video. Keep up with me in the hub. I'll be giving some giveaways soon, and see you guys.